Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So I just see my hair is fully washed. It was detangled, but yeah. So we're about to just get into it. I'm doing a variation of a lot of half up, half down type of style. So this is, I guess, day one. So let's get into it. Okay, for this style, I wanted to do something simple. It's a simple half up, half down. The only thing that might be challenging is that I'm braiding my hair. So if you're not a braider, you can definitely substitute the braids in the front for twist, and then we're leaving the back out. So I'm excited. This is honestly like an easy go-to style, at least for me, and I haven't really been able to do it because I really haven't had hair like that. But now that it's grown, I mean, it's nothing to try. So let's get into it. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. And just for picture reference, this is what I'm going for. So let's hope I achieve it. The thing I love about this style is that it's honestly gender neutral. So that's pretty dope. I've done this style on kids, I've done this style on grown-ups, I've done style on, like I said, men, women. So it's really just one of those go-to styles where, like, hey, need your hair done? Get it started with this style. Braid the back down so while we're doing the front, it's not even in the way. Okay, so I haven't done cornrows in a long time on my head, and I have an issue with getting everything even. Y'all, parting for me is the worst. But we're gonna start off with baby hairs because I feel like my baby hairs are done. You know, I feel better. So we're gonna pull these out. Pull these out. Blah, 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 blah. Now I'm in a good mood. I'm in a very good mood. This time of year is just really beautiful. Like, it's so festive and just so awesome. Okay. I don't lost my edge control. We are using the Kiss Edge Fixer. Why you guys keep falling? Kiss X Edge Fixer. Whoa. Okay. I don't really think I need that much, like that many edges. How am I supposed to say this? Like, how am I supposed to like group it without grouping it? Baby hairs, I guess that would be good. I don't think I need that many baby hairs out. I just want some because I'm not about to be set it off in this bitch, you know? Like, set it off in this motherfucker. Set it up. Yeah, I do not want to be set it off, so I'm definitely going to put some baby hairs just so y'all can, like, you know, feel me. And then I mean the back being out is good too. But yeah, baby hairs definitely do make a difference. Okay, baby hairs are done, and now let's get to braiding. I said I'm not really good at like straight back straight back cornrows are just challenging for me because actually I like that. For one, I make them super small, which I'm trying not to do. And then for two, I feel like I be having more hair than I need to. So that's kind of a bummer. But yeah. Besides that though, we are almost done with Vlogtober. I've been being consistent, so I'm really, you know, proud of myself for that. But yeah. I wish I could zoom in while doing this green screen, because I really do want to show you guys how to braid. But okay, I'll just try to show you guys as much as I can. I'll start off with 3 strands, and then I just feed it in. The middle one is always getting passed over to the right or the left. And just keep alternating. It's kind of like a twist. Maybe, honestly, no lie, maybe if you start out with the 2-strand twist and then upgrade to like a 3-strand twist, the braids will come natural. Cause 3-strand twists are slick, similar to 2-strand. I mean, to a braid. Slick. When I say slick, I really mean slick. Okay, so that's 1 braid. We're gonna rubber band it off. Ooh. Rubber band it off, rubber band it off, rubber band it off, rubber band it off. Okay, that's 1. And I'm gonna just keep going back and forth, back and forth. That's the easiest way I can do it, just to, you know, make myself feel good and not make it seem like it's so cricket. But yeah, back and forth, back, forth and forth. Let me see you go. You see, don't that look? No. So mom playing tricks on me. It's the same size. I'm not even gonna listen to that. But yeah, I'm not using that much product because I want the braids to look as, like, you know, loose fitting as possible. I don't want it to be so tight on my head. I want it to be loose because the back is gonna be loose, so I might as well make everything loose, you know. Gonna see you go back, forth. And before you put the rubber band on, braid it a little more, because you don't want anything unraveling before you put that rubber band on. Okay, and we about to get into it. Yeah, I have not done this in so long. I pray it works out. If not, then yeah. But okay, let's get into it. So I am done. Now for the back. That's really what I'm scared of, y'all. I'm really scared for the back. I'm ready for motion. I'm ready for motion. Okay. So this is the back without product. Change plans. Definitely putting this in a bun. Well, not even a bun, and a little ponytail. Oh. Okay. With this, I don't even have to what's it called? Add product. I like. We are done. Wow, that was faster than I thought it would be. I really thought I was gonna have to do a lot. But okay, quick and simple. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep coming back because Vlogtober is not done. Hairtober is nowhere near finished. And yeah, thank you guys.